Today, we invite you to step into the beauty of nature and discover how it can bring balance, serenity, and inspiration into your life. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's easy to lose touch with nature. However, nature has a profound impact on our well-being. Spending time outdoors can reduce stress and anxiety, increase creativity and focus, and boost physical health and energy level. Here are a few simple ways to incorporate nature into your daily life. Take a mindful walk. Enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of nature as you stroll through a park. Practice outdoor meditation. Find a peaceful spot to sit, breathe deeply, and tune into the natural world around you. Grow something, plant a garden, or care for indoor plants to embrace growth and renewal. Remember, even small moments spent in nature can have a significant impact on our well-being. Subscribe for more